Hi, welcome to my channel Unlearn with Vinay. Once again, I am here with one story which will help you to understand a challenge of agile transformation. Let's begin with the story. There was a school and it was not doing good. Both teachers and students were quite in stress to perform better. Management was thinking about how to help them. They heard about yoga practices and its benefit. They thought about to adopt yoga, and their vision was it will help both students and teachers to keep themselves fit both physically and mentally. So they try to identify a good yoga practitioner and told them that help the school in both students and teachers, train them on yoga practices, let them also help them to do it in a right way. And they asked how much time it will take. The practitioner has told he can train 5 batches in 2 months of time, but it will take almost 6 months to practice and get the benefit. They need lots of hand holding. They will need to look at like whether they are doing in a right way or not, and all those things. Management told, hold on, whatever you are saying makes lots of sense to us. Can we do one thing? Can we get more good practitioners? You can refer them. We will get more and more practitioners here. Can we finish that entire thing in 15 days? The reason is the entire students, all the batches, classes, whatever, right, and teachers, they are busy in their upcoming semester exam, which is only 1 month ahead. So can we finish this entire thing in 15 to 20 days? And after that, they will keep doing those practices also and their exam and other things. So practitioner was not very much confident on that. He was not happy with that. But still, management has tried to get more practitioners, yoga practitioners. They came there and they started doing the trainings. And they have scheduled the training daily, multiple batches, multiple people, almost like they were trying to achieve 30 batches in almost like 15 to 20 days. Teachers, what they have done, they have made it mandatory, compulsory that all students has to go through with all those classes. The students started coming up for those classes, they turning up, but they were not able to correlate how it's going to help them on their day-to-day activities or their preparation in their exams, semester exams. And attendance was quite low because everybody was busy on something, right, their exam and preparation. Teachers were not joining those sessions for learning. They were just coming there just to see that whether the students are coming there or not. They will be there for some time and they will go out and they will try to evaluate those yoga teachers also, like whether they are doing good or not. And that's how that entire session has been done. So on the paper everything was done, 15 to 20 days they have completed. And after that, students started giving the exam, preparing for the classes, or they were doing the regular study and all, right, whatever they were doing. And the same way like teachers also. Some of the students started practicing those yoga things, whatever they have learned. But they were not handheld by anyone. So slowly they started disbelieving on that. Like some people will say that do a meditation, it will improve your mental abilities and all, right. But it's a practice. You need to practice it for a long duration and then probably you can start getting benefit. So they started feeling like, okay, it's all these things are not good. It's maybe book is, it cannot work here and all, right. So students were getting into that. All teachers, they started using those jargons, whatever they have got to know from those classes, like meditation, that yogasana and many other things, and they will keep using it despite of they were not understanding that. At the end, maybe after down the 3 months or 6 months, management found that, and management were quite happy that they have actually helped both students and teachers, and they have tried to bring a change also. But down the line, when they were evaluating, like after 6 months or 3 months, whatever, right, they were finding that there is not much difference. It's almost same what was there 3 months back. They also started thinking about those yoga practices there. And finally, what happened? They stopped everything, or they will keep continuing on the way they were doing it, right? And that's the end of the story. If you have not got the lesson right, what is the reason they were not able to succeed there, right? You can think about what went wrong that side. And just on a lighter note, what happened, the school has publicized outside about their yoga adoption and the stories. I will not tell you that what was the message from this story, but I will suggest you guys do read a book called as Mythical Man Month. If you have not read, please go and read it. Early 70s this book has been written, I guess it's 73 or 75, by Frederick Brook. It's an amazing book. And to conclude from this story, I will just read it out, one quotation from that same book, and then we will be able to see what the message is from here. So in the book, it has been written like an omelette which is promised in 2 minutes may appear to be progressing nicely, but when it has not set in 2 minutes, that means it's not completed in 2 minutes, the customer has 2 choices: wait, then when it will complete and they can eat, or eat it raw. Software customer have had the same choices, but you know what? The cook has another choice. He can turn up the heat, and the result is often an omelette nothing can save, burnt on one part and raw in another. If we are feeling that these many man hours of work is there and we will put more people there, we will be able to finish it. That is the wrong thing that we do from the entire project management side in software development. And that applies in the agile transformation also. Whatever time it requires to bring the change, the cultural, the behavioral, all those things, right, it will take time. We have to go along with that. Yes, of course, we should have some indicators, lead, lag, all those, right, type of information radiator to see that whether we are going into the right action or not. But it will take the same time, or it will take a little more time. I hope now you are quite clear with this message, right? So that's the end of the story, and I will just thank all of you who are subscribed to my channel. If you have not, please subscribe. And if you are finding these stories are useful, feel free to use in your training, in your coaching, or any type of discussion where you want to bring up all these points, right? And keep liking the videos and providing your valuable comments, because that's very, very important for me, which encourage me also that I am also in the right direction. Okay, so I will be coming very soon with another story. Till then, thank you and bye bye.